Alright guys, welcome to my video. In this video, I'm going to be doing a Pokemon Unite tier list. So, if you enjoy this video, leave a like, subscribe, and let's get on with it. Venusaur. Ranged attacker, decent. I'll put in B. Gengar. It can go underground. Yeah, put it in C, I guess. Mr. Mime can block your opponents. It can block your opponent, and then your teammate can finish him off. Put it there. Snorlax, very powerful all-rounder. Gardevoir, put it in C. Absol, pretty good all-rounder. Garchomp, absolute monster. Lucario, yeah, monster. Crustle, I'll put in A. Greninja can go B. Talonflame can finish your opponents off. Personally, Charizard, not very powerful. Zeraroa is A. Really powerful. Cinderace. Let's see. I'd put him B. Pretty good. Brain. Cramorant. Blastoise. Pikachu, I'll put it here. Clefable. Alolan Ninetales, pretty powerful. Wigglytuff. Slowbro, I'll put there. Machamp, can do some stuff. Blissey. Mamoswine. Sylveon. Greedent, absolute god. Decidueye, put it here. Dragonite, absolute god. Sarina, I'm pretty good there. Trevenant, put it here. Aegislash, put, there. So, Garchomp, it's a pseudo-legendary, need I explain, incredibly powerful. Lucario, extremely good all-rounder. Greedent, Greedent can go straight across the map and really fast and steal your opponent, go into the opponent's jungle and steal their important Pokemon, giving you a very important experience lead. Dragonite. Need I explain? Snorlax. It's a Snorlax. Absol is, pretty good. Crystal. I haven't played with Crystal a lot, but, he's good in A. Talonflame can finish your opponent off really quickly. Zeraora, fast, and really good Pokemon in general. Serena, absolute god. Aegislash, haven't actually used him, but, seems like he can shield. If they didn't give him the shield mechanic, that'd be really stupid. Please tell me they gave him the shield mechanic. Unite Aegislash. Please. Tell me you gave me. Oh, good. They gave him a shield. Okay. B. They're here because they're good, but they have some limitations. C. Not that great. I guess Pikachu can go in B then. D. I hate putting Charizard here, but yeah, no, I think he deserves A. Deserves at least a C. Eldegoss. It's literally just a brain, a big brain. Cramorant. It's a bird. It's a bird, man. It's a bird. And Blastoise. It's like, look, this is the best I'm giving him. All right, this is my team. This is my tier list. Deal with it. Don't like it? It's not my problem. Like it? Maybe like it, subscribe, do it. I haven't actually played a lot of Pokemon Unite, but I've watched them, and based on my little knowledge, this is the tier list that I comprised. I think it's pretty good. Yeah. So Arleon's here, 5 minutes.